Hello folks, it's finally happening. For the first time since it took on Apple and the iPhone back in 2009 with the Droid, Motorola is reportedly developing a flagship smartphone with eye-popping specs. For example, the phone, which will be called the Motorola X30 Pro or the H30 Ultra, will be the first to sport Samsung's new 200 megapixel camera sensor. The device will also feature a 6.67-inch OLED display with an Full HD Plus resolution and a 144 Hz refresh rate. The X30 Pro will bring the power since it will be equipped with the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 chipset. The latter chip will be produced by TSMC using its 4nm process node as opposed to the original Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 chipset, which had been rolling off of Samsung Foundry's assembly line using a 4nm process node. The Plus version of the chip delivers a 10% increase in clock speed of the graphic and central processor units, along with a 30% decrease in power consumption for both. In addition, the X30 Pro will offer Motorola's fastest charging speeds yet, 125 watts wired and 50 watts wireless. As you might imagine, the 200 megapixel camera sensor is attracting plenty of attention. Besides the 200 megapixel primary sensor, the phone is expected to feature 50 megapixels and 20 megapixel sensors. We learned some more about the handset cameras thanks to a Weibo post put up by Motorola. Before we discuss the camera's focal lengths, we should point out that Weibo post confirms that Motorola will call the device the X30 Pro, at least in China, while the moniker Motorola H30 Ultra might be used in other markets. The teaser posted on Weibo by Motorola reveals that focal lengths of the three cameras expected to be found on the back of the phone will be 35, 50 and 85 mm. The focal length tells you the distance between the lens and the image when the subject is in focus. Most smartphone specs will refer to zoom lengths instead, for example 2x zoom. Whether Motorola is trying to attract more professional photographers by speaking in their language is unclear. But will it have a removable battery? Okay, I'm kidding. However, it would be nice. Comments made by Motorola on Weibo when translated using Google Translate refer to the 35mm camera as the eye of humanity. This will be the primary wide camera. The 50mm camera is considered the eye of the heart and should offer an optical zoom of approximately 2x. The 85mm camera is called the portrait eye and provides an enhanced telephoto camera for users while also giving them the ideal focal length for shooting portraits. Definitely interesting specs, however that's just part of the equation. Motorola really needs good software and image processing to get great images out of these sensors. If these specs are legit, the X30 Pro will ship soon an ultra-wide-angle camera. The device is expected to be released sometime next month. In any case, we look forward to seeing how Motorola enters the territory of big guys like Apple and Samsung. I think it will be interesting. Guys, if you liked this video, check out the others on our channel, some of which have already appeared on your screens. Thanks for watching and see you there.